In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to switch your store's currency, and what to keep in mind before you hit save. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to change store settings, since currency is an admin level change. Once you are in the admin, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps global options that affect your storefront, checkout, and account level configurations. Inside Settings, select General. Think of General as the place for your store's identity and foundational preferences, including your default currency. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Store Default. This area controls the core defaults your store uses, including the currency your prices are set in for products, reports, and many display areas. Next, look for your current currency and click the three dots beside it. Those three dots open a quick action menu with options related to the currency setting. From that menu, choose Change Store Currency. If this option appears grayed out, it can mean your store has processed orders already, or your account requires additional review. In that case, you may need to adjust related settings or contact Shopify support to unlock the change. It's also a good time to double check your payment provider supports the currency you want to use. When the currency selector opens, choose the currency you want from the drop-down. Be careful here, changing your store currency does not automatically recalculate your existing product prices. The numbers you've entered will be treated as amounts in the new currency. For example, if a product is priced at 50 and you switch from one currency to another, it will remain 50 in the new currency. Review your price points, rounding preferences, shipping rates, and discount values so they make sense in the new currency. If you sell internationally, remember that store currency affects your base pricing and reports. If you use Shopify payments with multi-currency, customers can still see localized prices, but your default store currency remains the foundation. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Give it a moment, then refresh your admin and preview your storefront to confirm prices display as expected. Consider viewing a product page and the cart to verify tax and shipping calculations align with the new currency. If anything looks off, update price lists, shipping rates, or rounding rules to match the change. That's it, you've updated your Shopify store currency safely and confidently.